Hey yo, real talk. You ever watch a movie or a YouTube video and feel like they talking way too fast? Like, you trying to listen, but all you hear is you keep turning captions on like your life depend on it? Yeah, I was there too. But let me tell you what actually fixed that. One day I said screw it, I started watching every English video at 1.4 times speed. Not slower, faster. At first I was like, yo, what the hell are they saying? But I kept watching, next vid and the next. My brain was struggling, but also kind of eating it up, you know? When you force your brain to keep up with that fast talking, you low-key start picking up more words, sounds, how stuff connects. You ain't even trying hard, your brain just adapts. Now here's the wild part. After 2 days, I went back to 1 time speed, and bruh, it felt like they was talking in slow-mo. You just sitting there like, damn, I really understand in this? Yes, you are. This ain't no magic trick, it's just real practice. No books, no classes, no boring apps, just you, some YouTube, movies, and that playback speed button. Try it for like 2 to 3 days. Pick any video or movie you like, podcasts, vlogs, Netflix, whatever. Put it on 1.4 times. Let your brain work. You gonna come back here like, yo, it worked. And I'ma be like, told you.